Hi guys, I'm Emily.
I'm Darlene.
Let's talk about naming your business. This is something can be really exciting, naming the business, naming your startup, but it's also really tough.
Yeah, it can get hard.
Yeah, we're in the digital age, so this is more than just what's gonna be on a sign or on a business card. Think about your website, think about your email address.
Your social media handles.
Yeah.
I mean, nowadays most people shop with the business brand in mind.
They make purchases based on the brand alone.
Yeah, and so here are our top tips for naming your business.
Choose a name that's meaningful. When people read your business name, they should instantly get what your business is about. There shouldn't be any confusion. And if you want to go with something that maybe is a little more catchy or a little more intriguing, that's cool, but just understand that it may cost you a little bit more or take more time to brand.
Yeah, and then remember to keep it short and simple.
Exactly.
Make it easy for your customers to find you, but not too generic that it gets buried in the search results.
Be conscious about using words or terms that may limit potential business growth. So don't be too narrow or literal. We don't want to be trendy or narrow the business name to one specific product, like Jenny's Jeggings or iPhone accessory outlet, because what if you expand down the road? And also, that brings up another point around geographic locations in your business name. It's cool at first, I think, maybe you're starting small, but what if your business blows up and you want to expand distribution throughout the US or globally? Think about the big picture.
And then do a bit of internet research on the business name itself. Dive into page 2 and page 3, and chances are you're gonna find another business that has the same name that you're looking for.
Yeah.
But decide if that's gonna be a big impact on whether you go with that name or go with something else. And then you're gonna wanna conduct a trademark search on your name. Go to uspto.gov, type in your name, and see if a trademark or a service mark is available for your business name.
Yeah, and in addition to that, if you want to be legit, you're going to have to structure your business as an LLC or a corporation, and you're going to have to go through a Secretary of State search. Now, you can get an attorney to help you go through one of these, but essentially, you need to make sure that your business name is not identical to anyone else's within the same state. So before you start plastering your business name all over the place, make sure you've conducted that kind of a search first.
Take the time to do it right. It's gonna be difficult, it's gonna be a bit of a process,
Yeah.
but pick something that makes you happy.
And think about the long term. If you're planning on being around for a while, your business name is too.
I'm Darlene.
I'm Emily.
Thanks for joining us.